Good morning, students. My name is Bhushan Deshmukh. Today we are going to learn about transportation from subject science, class 5. Okay. Class 5th, subject science, topic transportation. Lesson number 14. Okay. Transportation. Now, as we know that transportation is a very important part in our day-to-day life, and we commonly use this word, right? Now let us understand what is meant by transportation is. Okay. Now basically the transportation means the action of carrying the action of carrying or taking people or goods from one place to another, right? Now what does it mean? Transport means it is a process of carrying or action of carrying or taking people from one place to another place, right? Now let us understand it in simple language, right? Consider this is a point A and this is point B, right? Then the process of carrying people or goods from this place to this place, right? Process of carrying people or goods from one place to another place, then it is called transportation. Then it is called transportation, right? Consider this is Akola and this is Nagpur, right? Now when a person wants to go from Akola to Nagpur, he needs a transportation, right? Right? And for sending parcel, we need a transportation, right? Now, what are the examples of transportation and how we do transport our parcels, right? The method of transportation are first by road, right? By road, then by air, and third one is by water. Now by road, what are the examples of transportation? Yes, by road are means by buses, car, right? Bikes. Okay, these are the some different types of transportation, right? By air means aeroplane, helicopter, right? And third one is by water means ships, boat. By this way we do transportation, right? We carry the people from one place to another place, or and goods or and objects we transport from one place to another place, right? Now let's see example here. Transport or transportation is the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to another. In other words, the action of transport is defined as the particular movement of organism or things from point A to point B. Right. Modes of transport includes air, land, water, cable, pipeline, and space. Right. These are the different modes of transportation. Right. Here you can see that aeroplane, metro train, ship, truck. Right. Have you clear this? Now let's study transport in detail. Let's try an experiment. The experiment is that choose a friend's house, park, shop, or school that is 1 kilometer away from your home. Right. You have to select any place that is 1 kilometer from your home. Right. Now, first thing you have to do is on the first day, walk to your chosen place. Right. Anything that you have selected, you have to travel by walking. Right. You have to reach that distance by walking. Okay. On the second day, ride to it on your bicycle. Second day, you have to go that place on bicycle, and on third day, take a automobile. Automobile means you can take car, right? Auto, right? While doing this, always take your school bag with you. Use the same route all three journey, right? Now note down the following: the time taken for each journey on each 3 days. Right? You have to note down the time. Right? In how much time you have reached to school from your home. Right? Second one is first one is you have to note down time. Second one, which journey took the longest time and which took the shortest time, and you have to identify which journey take the longest time and which take the shortest. Third one is on which journey did you have to carry your own things, right? Fourth one is which was the most comfortable journey. Sixth one is on which journey did you have to use fuel, and sixth one is on which journey were you most bothered by smoke and noise. Okay. Now, from your answer, you will see that walking takes the most time, right? Walking takes the most time, and you have to put in labor to carry your own things, right? By walking, you have to carry your own things. Using a bicycle save time and effort, right? While traveling on bicycle, you can put your bag on carrier, right? And it saves time. It takes minimum time to cover a distance. You must have also realized that we have need to use fuels in automobiles, right? Automobiles means cars, how they travel, how they start, they need a fuel, right? They consume fuel. This causes air and noise pollution. Automobiles, when the fuel burns, the toxic chemicals come out from the vehicle, so it causes air and noise pollution. The sound of horn and engine causes noise pollution. It means that different modes of transport have different advantages and disadvantages, right? In today's high-speed world, we have to depend on several modes to travel and transportation of goods. Modern means of transport have many advantages. What are the advantages? Works get sooner, right? We can do our work very fastly. Next one is time and effort are saved, right? Different parts of the world are now connected due to transport facilities, right? With the help of plane, you can reach to another country within one day. right, within hours. Okay, the transport of goods even on a global level has become simple and easy. As so many things are easily available, the lifestyle of people has improved, right? Due to the increase in facilities, the lifestyle has become simpler and easier. The facilities of tourism, health, education have become speedier, right? With the help of transport, we can travel to another country, right? Therefore tourism, health, education have become speedier, right? Due to various means of transport, the world has become closer, right? Everyone has come close to each other due to the transportation. Have a class discussion on the advantages of transportation, right? I will give you 5 minutes to 5 minutes for discussion. Please discuss on the transportation. Okay. Okay, students, have you done your discussion? Now tell me what you have discussed about the advantages of transportation. Rule number 13, please tell anyone advantages. Right, time and efforts are saved. Good. Rule number 21, please tell. Yes, due to transportation, the world has come closer. Okay. Rule number 10, please tell. Yes, right. The human efforts are reduced. Right. Good. Now, study the following picture and note the answers. Here have the children stop. Why have they stopped there? Here. Observe this picture and answer the following question. Where have the children stopped? They have stopped on footpath. Right. Footpath. Why have they stopped there? Because of signal. There is a car, right? What are the children doing? They are getting irritated due to the noise and air pollution, right? What is troubling them? Noise, right? State the difference between the plant close to road and those are far away from the road. Freshness of leaves, color of leaves, and appearance of plants, right? The plants that are close to road are not fresh and their color is dim, right? Due to pollution. And the trees and plants that are away from road are fresh, right? From the observation, you must realize that there is a constant traffic on busy road. Due to the beginning of fuel in the vehicles, they constantly emit smoke and some poisonous gases. The gases mainly include carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Similarly, minute particles of carbon and lead are also released into the air. And excess of these substances lower the quality of air in the environment. This is what we call air pollution, right? Air pollution affects animals and plants in the following ways. That is trachea, lung and eye disorders. The leaves of plants shrivel up and fall. Roots get scorched. The growth and development of plant is affected adversely. Constant traffic through forest areas can harm the habitat of plants and animal living there. The wild animal in this forest begin to migrate elsewhere. Right. The constant sound of vehicle creates noise and a large scale. It causes ill effects such as restlessness, irritability, right, headaches, lack of concentration, psychological disorder, right? If there are traffic jams, air and noise pollution in that area increases. Traffic accident cause injuries, deaths, damage to the vehicle, right? These are the harmful effects of transportation, right? Now I will give you 10 minutes to discuss on the harmful effects of transportation, right? Discuss on harmful effect. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to discuss on it and then I will ask question depending on it. Okay. Okay, students, have you discussed the harmful effects of transportation? Okay, now tell me one by one. Roll number 5, tell me one harmful effect of transportation. Right. Transportation causes air pollution, noise pollution. Right. Now roll number 25, please tell another harmful effect of transportation. Right. Constant traffic causes accidents, road accidents. Right. Rule number 35, please tell the side effect of air pollution. Right. It causes breathing problem, lungs cancer. Right. These are all happen due to the air pollution. Right. And air pollution caused due to the transportation. Right. Now what can we do for reducing the air pollution, noise pollution? Discuss on it, and I will ask you the questions. Okay. Okay, student. Now, can you tell there are 4 options, right? And which one will we use? Right. Going to study at friend's house who lives nearby. If he is nearby, what will we option choose? Right. Walking. You will go by walking. Going to your school, which is about 1 kilometer away. What will we use? Right. Bicycle. Taking materials to a science exhibition in another town. Use a public vehicle. Right. Use, what will we use here? Private vehicle. Why? Because the materials of science exhibition are important, right? That is private vehicle. And going to wedding in the next town, you will use public transport, right? Public transport. Okay. Okay, thank you, students. Remaining part we will cover in next class. Okay.